Hey guys, Mr. Benchwork here. On today's video, I want to tell you a story that's led my company in an exciting, albeit a new direction. Behind me is my current project. It's a 12 by 55 foot O-scale layout. About 3 months ago, I was in the process of quoting this project and I ran into a bit of a hiccup, cork. The thing is, no matter what website or supplier we went to, no one had it. It was, at this point, we kind of went down a bit of a rabbit hole. So I'd like to introduce MRB Supply. This is MRB Supply cork. It comes in both 3/16 and 1/4 inch thicknesses. 3/16 is the same as Midwest, while 1/4 inch is just a little thicker, which provides better sound absorption without added cost. MRB cork is square cut, which you might think of as a negative, but it actually makes cork installation faster, and you can still bevel it easily with a box knife. MRB Supply is our effort to fill gaps within the Model Railroad supplier network. We are starting with O-scale cork for now, but we will be expanding into other areas as we find products that save you time, money, or hassle, so keep an eye out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.